Hello,
How are
I'm
you?
Matt with Green Air. Doing
Nice
good.
to meet you. I'm Danny.
What's going on with the AC?
So that's been giving us some trouble. Like when we want to drop the temperature, it takes a little longer, and it doesn't get cold properly.
Okay.
And it's giving us like allergies.
Allergies?
Yes, we sneeze.
It is pollen season right now. Like the pollen's really bad right now, so you're gonna get some allergies. Your thermostat, is it upstairs?
Upstairs, yes.
And the unit, is it upstairs, like in the attic, or?
I think so, yes.
Okay, I'll take a look at what I need, and I'll go back to my van and get some tools.
Okay.
Let's see.
I think it's there. I think it's this one.
Oh, here. Well, that makes it a little easier. Yeah, that makes it a little easier. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab a thermometer and see what temperature split we got, and then if I need to do refrigerant, and I'll check that, and then I'll check your coil, make sure it's clean, and then I'll show you some options or ideas for allergies. It's not going properly in allergies. I'm going to just start with a temp split, see how close I am to 20-degree temp split, and then I'll go check refrigerant levels and stuff if I feel like I need to, and static pressure and everything. This is just how I like to do it. If I got the time. The town home. Let's see. Feels good. That is dirty. It's really dirty. Coil looks good. No point. Let's see what the return temp is. Drain looks good. We got a 69-degree return. So we got a 19-degree temp drop. So I'm gonna go double check the subcool just to make sure everything's running, and then I'll give them options for air cleaner. Sometimes I get lucky. starting to get some dirt, air, some buildup on it. The head pressure might be a little high. Might be causing it to not cool properly, but we're only a couple degrees off from what I like to see for a temp split. I mean, sometimes, depending on the house, 19 degrees is good. But for this house, I want to see like maybe 22 out of this carrier unit at the unit itself. I'm pretty sure that dirty filter had something to play with why they were having cooling issues. Suction liquid. This one's liquid. This one. Suction. We'll let it run for a little bit. It looks a little low. I'll take a picture. Now, when you're looking at this right here, it says indoor TXV subcooling, 10 degrees, and it's still adjusting. But right now we're at 7. It's not that far off. It's about 70 degrees outside, and 73 inside. So at least a 9 I would like to see. So we're gonna let it adjust. It's at 7.3 right now. We'll see. Definitely needs a wash. Definitely needs a wash. Like the whole surrounding it. The whole thing is dirty. Showing a little low, but not that much. I would rather come back on a hotter day and see what's going on. I think we're doing okay. I'm gonna go double check that temp split one more time, and just to verify, since it's been running out for a little while, and just see what's going on with it. I like these APPION quarter pressors. They just make life a lot easier. You don't lose a lot of refrigerant. I think the Fieldpiece probes are a little big. Could make them a little smaller, I would think. I don't know. The nice thing though, they only take 2 AAA batteries. The Testos took like 3. So it really hurt the wallet a little bit buying batteries for all the Testo stuff. Okay. It's all taken care of. I think they rent, so they're gonna have to pay for any kind of allergy relief.